These doors, when shut, enclose the space surrounding the Kaaba to effectively reduce the scale of the space during quieter periods of the religious calendar. During Ramadan and Hajj, these doors will be open to accommodate the larger numbers of attendees and to provide views from the new prayer halls. The scale and dynamic nature of the grand doors is unique in the world. They effectively define the outer perimeter of the mosque, allowing washrooms, health facilities, and servicing arrangements to be accommodated within the new extension, ensuring higher standards of safety and comfort. The upper prayer halls have floors that are stepped to allow clear visibility of the Kaaba, and due to their arrangement and form, provide areas for quieter contemplation away from the main plaza below. The steps have been carefully designed to allow for ease of movement and are sufficiently deep to be functional for prayer. These upper levels are primarily accessed over bridges from the hillside terraces and by ranks of escalators arranged between the new prayer hall's main structure. By accessing the new extension from the hillside, the crowd is effectively separated from those using the lower plaza. This improves ease of movement and crowd safety. A further feature of this proposal is the innovative use of the prayer hall structure shells to act as thermal engines that effectively pull cool air from a lower basement and through the prayer hall slabs to keep them cooled and enhance the comfort of worshippers. Atkins is proposing a phased construction of the mosque expansion so as to minimize disruption to the functioning of the existing mosque and its surroundings. The new extension can be built without touching the existing mosque. Once it is finished, the walls and floors of the mosque facing the new extension can be removed and the grand doors installed. The Ottoman arcade could be left in place, but it would severely restrict the view of the Kaaba from the new prayer halls. We are therefore suggesting that it should be carefully taken down and reconstructed on the hills behind the terraces. The reconstructed arcade will become an additional worship space and due to its relevant historic origins will be closely associated with the existing mosque and Kaaba. The capacity of the mosque is significantly enhanced by the addition of the Phase 1 prayer halls, and though this extension has been designed as a standalone contemporary Islamic building, it could in the future be extended by repeating the same form so as to complete the circle and create a new grand mosque accommodating up to 5 million worshippers. A truly fitting center for the Islamic world.